Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are CSS object fit and object position properties and how they are used. CSS object fit property. The CSS object fit property determines how an image or video should be resized to fit within its container. This is done in different ways, such as preserving the aspect ratio or stretching to occupy as much space as possible. Now we'll look at an example. Consider the following image, whose original size is 350 pixels by 230 pixels. As you can see in this preview, we have placed this image in a 200 pixels by 200 pixels container, while maintaining its aspect ratio when filling its container. Because of this, you can see that the image has been distorted. This is where the object fit property becomes useful, as you will see next. As you can see in this code, we have specified object fit contain for this image, which takes care of the image distortion by maintaining its aspect ratio while scaling it to fit inside the container. The object fit property can be set to one of the following values. Fill. This is the default setting. The image is resized to fill the specified dimensions, which may cause it to stretch or squish. Contain. The image maintains its aspect ratio while being resized to fit within the given dimensions. Cover. The image keeps its aspect ratio and fills the specified dimensions, but will be clipped if necessary to fit. None. The image is not resized at all. Scale down. The image is scaled down to the smallest size possible between the none and contain options. Now we'll look at each one of them with an example. Object fit cover. The image maintains its aspect ratio while filling the specified container, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Note that some parts of the image will be clipped to fit within the container. Object fit fill. The image is resized to completely fill the specified container, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. If needed, the image may be stretched or squished to fit. Object fit none. The image is not resized, but cropped instead if required, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Object fit scale down. The image is scaled down to the smallest size between none and contain, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. CSS object position property. The CSS object position property is used to determine the alignment of an image or video element within its container. As you can see in this preview, the image is cropped to fit within the container because of the object fit contain property. By default, the image is positioned in the middle. We can adjust it by using the object position property. In this example, we are using object position property to move the image to top left of the container, as shown in this preview. The first value defines position from left to right where 0% is left, and the second value defines position from top to bottom, where 0% is top. Similarly, in this example, we are using object position property to move the image to bottom right of the container, as shown in this preview. The first value defines position from left to right where 100% is right, and the second value defines position from top to bottom, where 100% is bottom. This was all about CSS object fit and object position properties. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.